At the start of September, we presented our 6-day scrambler at the Glemseck 101 Cult event. This can now be delivered complete, and all conversion parts can also be supplied individually. Our scrambler, built in the 6-day style, is an homage to the BMW factory motorcycles of the 70s. With its minimalist headlight fairing, additional headlight on the crash bar and spoked wheels with studded tires, as well as the short tail and the wide enduro handlebars, this scrambler is ready for adventures away from the asphalt. Visually, the motorcycle is perfected by the attractive number plate carrier, number plates and the high front mudguard. The tried and tested Wunderlich engine and radiator protection is also included, as are ergonomic, multi-adjustable clutch and brake levers. The suspension on the 6 days proves how serious we are about playing homage to the successful BMW racers. A highly adjustable fourth cartridge and the shock absorber, which can be individually adjusted in every respect, give the RnineT Scrambler perfect riding performance, greater ground and leaning clearance as well as significantly better handling over any terrain.